Welcome to another Quantubly video. This one's about Google search, and whilst most people think they know how to use Google search, what we're going to show you today is a few tricks you can do to get searches from very large volumes down to very small volumes, from tens of millions down to tens. So here at Quantubly, something close to our heart is deep learning. So let's look for deep learning. And if you do that, Google returns here in google.co.uk 36 million results, which is quite a few, and if I spend a couple of minutes on each result, I'll be here for a long time. So how do you make that a lower number? Well, you could ask a more specific question, like what is deep learning? And our 35 million results go up to 50 million. So you may find that that's confusing, but that's because Google's searching for each word in the page. Yeah, is there a what, is there an is there a deep, is there a learning? If you put quotes around words, a couple of words or more, what Google actually do is look for deep learning as a phrase as opposed to the word deep and the word learning on the page. And if you do that, you'll find you'll dramatically go down in number of pages found, because it's looking for something far more specific. Here we're down to 750,000 from our 30-40 million, which is far better, but still quite a lot. So when you're doing a search, it also helps to try and understand what you're actually looking for. So for me, I'm looking for a paper to read, something that will tell me about deep learning. So most papers I know which are produced are written as Adobe PDF format. So Google has a command called file type. And file type could be doc for documents, or XLS for Excel spreadsheets. It could be text, but it can also be PDF. So if you do that, it will actually find specific files for you of that file type which have deep learning in. And now I've gone down to 150,000 results. So that's even better. So we've gone from sort of 40 million to 750,000 to 150,000. That's still too many. So the other thing I can do is try and understand what sort of paper do I want. Do I know the author of it? That might help, or something. So what you can do, you could put in an author, and again put his name in quotes. Or you could do cite. So if I'm looking for an academic paper, let's say something from Princeton, .edu, a site, then I know that all the returns I get are from Princeton University in the States, all to do with deep learning, and all PDFs I can download. And there we've got 64 results, and as you can see, prefixing the results PDF, PDF, PDF. So if I load any of these, like cross-modal sound mapping using deep learning, click on that, and hopefully, all being well, boom, we get the result. So that's from 40 million down to 70 in just a few quotes, a file type, and a site, and get exactly what we want. Saves a lot of searching around in the long term. So that's Quantubly's video on Google search. We'll do a few more. If you've got any feedback or looking for specific things, how to look at perhaps people's hard drives specifically and things like that. So let us know if you want that, and we can do that. Thank you very much. We're Quantubly. See you soon.